Verifying your Klarna account is essential for ensuring secure transactions and accessing all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find verification options. In account settings, look for a section labeled Verification or Identity Verification. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter any required personal information. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and identification documents. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After entering all necessary information, submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation email or notification once your account has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help ensure your Klarna account is verified, allowing you to enjoy a smoother shopping experience.